How to use Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. Launch your Fantasy Premier League app and make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you will find many options. Navigate to the option of Fantasy. Head over to the option of Transfers. You will be directed to this page where you are going to find the team setup. And at the top, you will find the different options as free transfers, wildcard, cost and bank. Head over to the section of wildcard. At the moment, for my account, wildcard is not available. But if this feature is available for your account, you can easily use it. First up, set it to wildcard. Then you can go ahead, select the player that you want to remove with that wildcard. You will get the list of the wildcard players available. You have to go ahead and select the player that you want to add in the game normally. When you make multiple transfers in a single game week, the app deducts points from your overall score. For example, if you transfer out 3 players right now without using your wildcard, you will be hit the 5 points penalty in the next game. But here's the good news, you can avoid those deductions by activating your wildcard. You will see the option to use your wildcard just below the list of transfers. Click on wildcard and your wildcard will be activated. Now that your wildcard is active, you can make as any transfer as you like without worrying about any point penalties. Whether you want to replace underperforming players or adjust your squad to fit the upcoming fixtures, the wildcard has got you covered. So that's the wrap for this video. This is how you can easily use wildcard on Fantasy Premier League account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.